Hi guys, Calvin back again. Calvin from Beyond Candlesticks. Yes, we're looking for a buy entry in this trade now. I'm going to put in a buy limit.
Order pending.
I'm just going to move this to where I want this entry. I want to enter around here, guys. Let's hope the market gets me into this trade. And then we're going to buy this thing all the way. We may have a little bit of problems round about here, but hopefully we can get round there, and we're then going to pump this thing all the way up here. And we're looking for possibly 40 ticks out of this trade. Yeah, if we can get this entry, we're going to look 45 ticks. 10 contracts we've got here, guys. Simulated trade. It's my look at that, one tick away from being filled. One tick away from being filled there. So that what we do, we're going to keep an eye on this, because if this doesn't come back down any further, what we have here is a situation where we have to go in at market. What we're going to do, if it goes in at market, we're looking for some resistance round about here, so that we can get back into this trade. Because what we have is a continuation trade. And I can tell you why in my courses at Beyond Candlesticks. I can't tell you why in these videos, but as you can see, this market may not fill me, and if it doesn't fill me, guys, we're going to look for a little bit of a pullback in this region, somewhere around about here. Looking for a pullback, get some support from this, some resistance around in this area here. Definitely get some resistance here, and then we're going to look for a pullback entry. So if we get some resistance there, maybe we can get 6 ticks pullback, 6 or 7 ticks pullback. What we don't want to do is enter here, because we enter here, there's no confirmation that this is going up, and it could just roll over on us and just, so if it rolls over, we can get an entry here, and if it doesn't roll over, then we take a pullback entry. One more tick and we should get the pullback. One more tick up, we should get the pullback. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're looking for entry around about there. If we get that push up and then a roll back over. And if we get that entry, then we're going full out. We're going to have a bit of, these are areas of resistance. We've got area of resistance here. We've got area of resistance here. This is point of control. And see, guys, it hit me, but I didn't get filled. So it's going to pump down before it fills me. I'm filled now, guys. I am filled now. And I'm hoping now that I am the support. Because if I'm not the support and the guys with me are not support, then this is going to roll over and stop me out.
Order filled.
Right, I've just been filled. Why? I thought I was filled before. Strange. I'm filled now. Okay, maybe I was only partially filled. Yeah,
Stop filled.
Stop me out. Damn. Okay, we're going to try and get back in quickly here. We're going to do it by market. If I can get a pump down. Pump down. Come on, pump down this thing. Get back down. Oh, damn. Ooh. Let's get a pump down. Okay, I'm going to try and get a limit order in quickly. I think I missed the entry now. Try and get this limit order. Damn. Okay. We're going to buy this one. What is with me?
Order pending. Order filled.
I was trying to get a limit in there, but I got it there anyway. I think it's a good place still. We can ride this thing out. We're gonna play this boy back up now. We're gonna play this boy back up. We took a loss on those on the stops, but we're gonna play this one up now. I think I need to probably pull my stop maybe 2 ticks. Just there. Is that right? One more tick. There. Right. Just to get a bit of clearance in case there's a pump down. I think we'll get a pump down against us. And then it will pull back up. But if we don't get that pump down, then we're looking a bit of resistance in this area here. All these red buyers, sellers here. Bit of resistance. But we're looking to turn this thing round now and go up. We're looking to pump this fella up now. Here we go. Ka-chung. I like the sound of money. Ka-chung. Let's go for it, baby. Now I'm going to just pull my stop back, like ka-chung, just so that we got some space to go for it. Just in case this thing pulls back. Yeah, I was in the money, $500, but sometimes with the NQ, it's got a behavior pattern where it just pulls back. Especially in this area here where it is now, you know, it could just pull back now. If we can get round there, you see that pullback? See that pullback? And my ka-chung was 10 ticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then it added 6 ticks, so go back 4. So my ka-chung was there. And I just wanted to preserve my trade. So yes, if I get stopped out, I'm still in the money. You know, it's a sort of scratch trade. But just get some room. Ka-chung just confirms that I'm on my way up. But I need a bit of room to get round these guys here. We've got round those guys. This is just a stumbling block. Get round there, and then we're going to head to here. You know, we're going to easily hit the target with this trade. Yeah. Because we're going to get what we're going to do, we're going to do a reverse trade. When we hit our target, we're going to do a reverse trade. Right. When we hit our target up here, we're going to do a reverse trade. So now, just get rid of this red line. That's invalid now. Remove. Good. And see what we're doing now. Right. So, I don't even know how much money we were making. Now, we were up here. Here we're 550, so you know how many ticks are we in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We're 10 ticks in here, and we were 11, 12, 13. We were 15 ticks in this trade. So guys, it was a lovely trade, and it still is a decent trade so far. And we're sort of 15 ticks in now. We've got the 750 on the table. And now we're going to go, yeah, we're doing everything we want to do here. We're getting around these guys here. A massive sequential decline there, but I don't think it means much at this stage. We're going to pop through here and take this guy on. We can get through here. And then our target is here. We're at $900 there, you can see, fellas. This is Calvin, Beyond Candlesticks. If you like what you see, hit the like button. Go to our website. We've made $1,000, guys. This is what trading's all about. Understanding how to take these trades. We're going for the target. And we're going to do a reverse trade. Watch the reverse trade as it happens. We're going to reverse trade. We got $1,000. Whoops, whoops, whoops. We missed the, look at that. Missed the reverse trade by 1 tick. 1 tick. I was just waiting to do the reverse trade, One tick. You know, I was going to do the reverse trade just there. I told you about the reverse trade, guys. It's still on. As a matter of fact, it's still on. So if this market would just kindly go back to where it was, we're going to do the reverse trade, and we'll possibly do it at the same place this time. So what we're going to do, we're going to, I mean, it may come back up and try to bulldoze its way through here with some imbalances, buy imbalances. But we're going to do the reverse trade anyway. So now we're going to, we've got 1,000 on the table. When we get to 1,100, we're going to do the reverse trade immediately as we get there. We're going to hit, can you see this button here, guy? Can you see my mouse? Oh dear, we're missing out on this. This was a great opportunity to get that reverse trade. Unfortunately, sometimes you just get the timing off. But yeah, we really wanted that reverse trade. That would have given us some nice profits on the table today. So we've got 850, and we had 1,100. And what we've got to try and do is, if we get to 1,000, we're going to hit that reverse trade. Really wanted it at 11 because the amount of ticks involved. I wanted to get it here, but I'm going to have to take it at 11. And now the reverse trade now will only give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, maybe 5. It's just a scalp now. It's not as good as it was when it was first on the table, unfortunately. So, you know, the market's reacted to it, and it's not happy. It's feeling the downward pressure of that reverse trade, and you know, we lost a great opportunity to add to our profits there. So we got, so it's a shame. It's a shame. It's a shame. So what we're probably going to do now, we're waiting for the next candle, and we're going to take some eat on the next candle. We'd love this to go up maybe to there. If we can get that to there before this candle, there's 40 seconds left. There's 40 seconds left, and there is a reverse trade still. There is a reverse trade still. We're going to take that reverse trade now. Watch this trade now. One more tick up. Give it to me. If I get that one more tick up, or if I get the 1,000, I'll take the reverse trade now because of the time. There you go.
Order filled.
Right, I've taken the reverse trade. Yeah. So now we're in a sell trade now. Oh, look at that bad positioning. Look at that bad, very, very bad. See, my reverse trade, I wanted it from there. You see that? I wanted to be selling it there, reverse trade. But we'll get it's a bad one. It is a bad one. Because we wanted the reverse. This will come back down. It will come back down. There's no worries about it coming down. It will come back down. It's just unfortunate that and we hit our target, by the way. Our target was here. It's just, there comes a reverse trade now, but we only got a few ticks in it, so we're not going to jump all over the moon about it, and we're gonna, because we got such a bad position. Should we get maybe a couple ticks in this now? It's not worth hanging on for a better one. Yeah, we wanted the reverse trades, you know, there, and we decided we are going to do it there. But what happened?
Stop filled.
There we go. We got stopped out. Lost out on the reverse trade, unfortunately. But I can tell you this: we're gonna take a. That's sad. We're gonna take a reverse trade here. We're gonna take a reverse trade here. Right here. So now we're gonna sell this thing.
Order pending.
And the thing about if you don't get the limit orders in, the market orders kind of with the bid and ask spreads, you kind of get a bad positioning, and that's what happened on that occasion. There was a bad positioning there. So unfortunately, the trade wasn't as, we didn't have the sweet spot. So here we go now, guys. We're going to do a reverse trade here. We're going to sell this market here, and hopefully we're going to get, if we can get filled, if we can get filled, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, probably, I probably need to enter here to get filled. So if I can get a little pump, if the market will just pump up, go past me a bit, I'll get the reverse and I'll come down, and I've got 20 ticks in it easily. Yeah, it's a shame about what just happened to us, because we had a beautiful opportunity, get the reverse trade in and make some serious money. So now we're not getting filled there, so now we've got to switch this to a buy trade now. So we've got to kill this trade. If this goes down, not sure what it's trying to do. If it comes here, we've got to do a buy trade. Yeah, guys, okay, we're going to get filled, I hope. We're going to get filled, I hope. And you're going to see a trade that you will hear me call out previously. I'm waiting here for this sell trade. So guys, watch carefully and you can learn from us. If you go to our website, you can see the courses.
Order filled.
And you can learn to trade like this. Now watch this market collapse. This market is going to collapse now, guys. Come straight down into profit. Don't worry about it going up for now. It's going to come down. Okay, guys, just watch me carefully now. This is how we trade the NQ. We know how it works. We know our structure. We know our positioning. And we've got this one. As I say, no worries about this one, guys. We've got this one. We're going to take this thing where it belongs. We're going to get the ticks out of this thing. I'm telling you. We've got this one covered. No worries, guys. You're going to learn a lot from coming to our website. If you like this video, hit the like button. Get your friends watching this. Get them learning from us. We are the experts at trading the NQ. And in fact, any market really. But we specialize in the NQ. Please do not worry. This market is going to collapse any minute now. You just keep watching. We're going to get that. We're going to get that pull down now. It's his due. Come on, there we go. There we go, guys. There we go. Look at that pull down. So we're 300 quid in now, 300 in, and we expect this to fall further. We want to get those ticks out of this trade now. Collapse, it will collapse. So now there's $400 there. As I say, that collapse was due. And we're looking for this. Yeah, ka-ching. I love the sound of ka-ching. Yeah. So there's 600, 500. And we're going to take profit here. We're going to take profit right here. Right here. Let's move this up because this is where we're taking profit. Right here. Ka-ching. Let's do it. Let's do it, guys. This is how you trade the NQ. Come on, let's do the ka-chung, ka-chung, ka-chung. Yeah, guys, on a more serious note now, this market is expected to collapse and give us the profits we're looking for. We're going to take profit somewhere around here, just before we get to this support here. There's a bit of support in here, and you know, that's why this market sort of like came down on us here, because of the support. I mean, lifted up from here because of the support. But now we're expecting this. See, I've got my 6 tick. You know, I'm not going to move this time. I'm going to leave it there. If I get stopped out, we've made profits. But I'm going to leave this.
Target filled.
What did I tell you, guys? What did I tell you? This market was going to collapse. Exactly as I told you. If you like this video, hit that like button. Come to the website. Calvin will be here. BeyondCandlesticks.com. We will teach you how to trade like this. We will teach you. We understand how the market works, and we know how to teach. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching this. Hit the like button if you like that. Signing off now. Calvin from BeyondCandlesticks.com.